So shall we begin?
Yes.
So welcome to our podcast session, Mr. Gagan. There is a very simple question for you. Nowadays, people are buying a lot of things on EMI, especially youth. Means they have become habitual of buying everything on EMI, even their pocket doesn't allow. What is your take on this?
In my opinion, we should not buy anything on EMI because in this era, everyone want everything in his life, and they do not want these things for their own needs. They just want these things for show off in their friends and the social society. So I think EMI is also a best thing if you want to start a business, or if you want to do a startup. But if you want to buy anything just for show off, oh, this will oh, this will harmful for your life also.
Okay. Do you think we all are living in the era of comparison? Suppose your friend has purchased an expensive mobile, his pocket allows, but you will also buy. Even you don't require such expensive mobile, you don't have a work of any such expensive mobile, but you still want to buy because the trend is forcing you to buy.
I think this is a bad thing because you are comparing with your friends, and the trend is change every year. You can see trend. There was another trend this year, and you will see a next trend in another year. Then you cannot buy everything in your life. You have to happy what you have.
Do you think that trend of exchanging and purchasing same thing every year is destroying our youth?
Yes, this is destroying our youth because our have a badly मतलब वो गलत तरीके से youth are badly influenced with type of social media platforms like Instagram and YouTube. They are influence them to buy the new things what are coming in the shops and what are coming in the trend. So they do not want to buy these things.
So, do you have any suggestion that how we can help our youth overcome such a situation that they don't be influenced by anyone?
So I think what you have to happy with it. When you have what type of phone you can use it, because this will also help you in your studies and also everything. You cannot buy any iPhone, so people are thinking if they can buy an iPhone they can do everything, but they can still also doing that thing with their own phone. So I don't think youth will be inspired about this thing.
Okay, there is a last question for you. Is it really important to buy expensive mobile in the life?
No, I don't think it is necessary to buy a expensive mobile in their life, because a simple phone is also good for a life.
But so many kids, they always force their parents to buy such expensive mobile. I watched a video, there was a lady, she was a vegetable worker, and the boy stopped eating food just to get an iPhone. He forced his mother to buy an iPhone.
I think in this situation, parents have to teach their
The
teach
child is
their
ready to
children.
die. The child is ready to die. He is saying, I have a knife, I will cut my neck. What will the parents do in that case?
They have to concern their children and they have to know they have to know about the children. You have to talk with them politely and ask them the questions what
Okay.
they want.
You
also.
have to share a message to the audience that chasing the real worth and chasing the worthless.
I think you have to chase the real worth you have. You can be anything and buy anything if you have a real worth in society. Thank you.
Okay, well done. Let's put a hand together.